There's Dad. I don't know, it seems like it's so bright I can barely see anyone. Hi, Dad.
Hello.
Amy.
Hello.
Amy's holding Carter. I'm sitting under a hut at the beach in Jamaica. Let's say hi to Ruth. Ruth, you don't want to say hi to the video camera? Hold on, let me get going. This is where we are on the beach. And now we're gonna look at Carter playing in his little sun hut. Hey man, are you playing in your sun hut? Are you playing in your sun hut? There's Carter. It's his first time
To sit up
in his hut.
Toys.
I don't think he's necessarily loving it. Let's look at Michael. He's putting on sunscreen. Do another panoramic shot of the beach. Carter! We'll go this way. I'll show you our hotel. It's very windy today. There's the back of our hotel.